Oppo R9 Plus 2016, March. The Oppo R9 Plus 128GB mobile features a 6.0 inches, 15.24 centimeters, display with a screen resolution of Full HD, 1080 by 1920 pixels, and runs on Android v5.1.1, Lollipop, operating system. The device is powered by Octa-core, 1.8 GHz, quad-core, Cortex A72 plus 1.4 GHz, quad-core, Cortex A53, processor paired with 4 GB of RAM. As far as the battery is concerned, it has 4120 mAh. Over that, as far as the rear camera is concerned, this mobile has a 16MP camera Exmor-RS CMOS sensor supporting a resolution of 4616 by 3464 pixels, and the front snapper is powered by a Exmor-RS CMOS sensor. Other sensors include light sensor, proximity sensor, accelerometer, compass, gyroscope. So, does it have a fingerprint sensor? Yes, it does. For graphical performance that can make games run smoothly, this phone has got a Adreno 510 GPU. Onboard storage is at 128GB with the option to expand the memory by yet up to 128GB. Design is one of the most important factors when it comes to mobiles. This phone is 7.4mm slim and weighs 185 grams.